here's how to start a group message, step by step, in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A group text lets you message multiple people at the same time in one conversation. This works with iMessage and SMS. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Tap the new message icon in the top right corner. In the To field, add 2 or more contacts. You can type names or tap the plus icon to select them. Type your message in the text box. Tap Send. Your group text is now created. If everyone uses iPhone, the group will be blue and use iMessage. If someone uses Android, the group will be green and use SMS/MMS. Tap the group icons at the top, tap Info, then change name and photo to customize the group. You can mute notifications, add or remove people, or leave the group from the Info menu. You need at least 3 people to create a group chat. Some options only work with iMessage groups. Make sure iMessage is enabled in Settings, then tap Messages for the best group features. And that's it. That's how you create a group text on iPhone in 2026. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.